Hello, kids. Steve coming back at you for Find the Famer Friday. Yeah, we'll bring that back this time only, at least for now, until next week or sometime in the near future. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope today goes really quick for you so that you can get into the weekend you deserve. Today's 5-pack, we are going to try the 21 Heritage High number. Don't think there's any Hall of Famers in there. Maybe some future, though. 87 tops, 87 downers. They will have some, hopefully, maybe even some Hall of Fame rookie cards. The Ultimate 1953 Archives set from 1991 tops, their first foray into archives, did an awesome job with this. And from Mickey Mantle, Satchel Paige, Whitey Ford, Hank Aaron, Warren Spahn, you name it. And how about an 88 Fleer Cello Pack? So let's get these all in the order we're going to open them, starting with the Heritage. Get this out of the way early. Who knows, maybe we'll find an auto or relic that will take the place of a Hall of Famer. You never know. We have the Male Mason, Braylon Marquez. For the Giants, Chadwick Tromp. Mickey Moniak of the Phillies. Andre Scrub, that's not a good baseball name. Ryan McKenna. Jose Iglesias, no relation to Fluffy, even though he is in California. Joe Musgrove. And Dane Dunning. Let me check the backs here real quick. I don't think there's any high numbers. And there wasn't. So, not even a future Hall of Famer per se. But we're going to get better. I guarantee it. Let's go to the 53 Archives. God, I love these. I really do. And at $3 a pack on Whatnot, you cannot beat the price. A lot of places sell them for $5, $6, $8 a pack. But I have them for $3. That's right. My Whatnot store is monkeyphat, all one word, monkeyphat. Click the bin and shop around. We have Hank Edwards. See what I mean? How beautiful these are. Bill Rigney, Clint Courtney, George Kell of the Red Sox, Andy Carey, Eddie Kazak, Murray Wall of the Milwaukee Braves. Well, Hall of Famer Nellie Fox. There we go. Bob Del Greco, Johnny Clipstein, Jim Gilliam. Oh, and Gus Bell. You know, all the Bells, he's one that started off. That was Granddaddy. Okay, how about the 88 Fleer Cello Pack? Bound to be Hall of Famers in here. So we've got 2 packs and 1 Hall of Famer so far. Let's keep this going here. Bring some magic. We have Raphael Belliard, Les Straker, Wally Ritchie, Ed Vandenberg, John Franco, Jose Nunez, Bill Melicote, Floyd Bannister, Jerry Mumphrey. Hey, the Brewers' one and only Dale Swain, followed by Dale Murphy, no relation. Dave Hengel, Chris Spire, Chet Lemon. We all know someone whose favorite player that is. God, we got the Cubs, the Athletics, and the Yankees. Could there be a more gruesome threesome? Ugh. Ed Whitson, Ken Gerhardt, Ralph Bryant, Tony Phillips, Hubie Brooks, Kevin Seitzer, from the Royals to the Brewers to the Royals. Now I believe he's a hitting coach for the Braves. Tom Browning, Jose Guzman, Jeff Reardon. Ha! We all know someone whose favorite players, Mookie Betts. Wally Joyner, Bruce Ruffin, Lloyd Mosby, and Steve Kiefer. Man, was he ever a turd in a Brewers uniform. All right, so we're still not doing that good. How about the 87 Tops? The Hall of Fame rookie card possibility in here is Barry Larkin. Oh, there's our gum. Oh, we got a really good one on the back there. That's not a Hall of Famer, but still highly desirable. Fortunately, he did have the gum stuck to him. Don Mattingly. Hey, Hall of Famer Kirby Puckett. That's number 2. George Fraser. Moose Haas. Moose. Former Brewer there. Andres Thomas. Rich Gedman. Luis Aguayo. There he is. Bo the Jackson. And yeah, didn't take any damage from the gum. That's cool. Billy Swift. We all know someone whose favorite player that is because he is from Maine. Candy Maldonado. Scott Terry. Jody Davis. Kelly Gruber. Gerald Perry. Greg Brock, another former Brewer. Jack Howell. Mariano Duncan. Wow. We have one decent rookie and 2 Hall of Famers. Come on, baller pack. Wish it into existence, Mr. Jensen. You're good at that, really. Alrighty. We have Jeff Reardon. That's number 2 of him on team number 2 of him. Vance Law. Ron Davis. Oh, the other Hall of Famer we're looking in this one, other than Barry Larkin, is Greg Maddux, rookie card. John Candelaria. Teddy Higuera. Steve Lyons. Marty Barrett. Kevin Elstrom. Good Lord, it's getting worse. Joe Hesketh. Looks like he belongs on the Red Green Show. Carlton Fisk, Hall of Famer with a dinged corner. Why wouldn't it? Vita Blue. Johnny Grubb, Stan Javier, Ozzie Guillen, Steve, not Mike, Trout. Wah, wah, wah. Okay, so 3 Hall of Famers, 1 rookie card, bunch of crap, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Hope to see you here tomorrow. Hope to see you on Whatnot tonight, in fact. But you know what else? Yeah, you can tell all the women cards. Ha! Whatnot? Hey, just have a good time. Be good to everyone you see and meet, and peace.